Welcome to Meadow View's open house. We're excited to get the 2018-2019 school year off. The Family Resource Center provides lots of services for our students and families. Resources like transportation, medical assistance, backpack program, food on the weekends, clothes for kids, just a variety of different services to help reduce barriers to education. And maybe a little babysitting.
My name is Darlene Basham, and I work here in the office at Meadow View, and we are welcoming our students back for another great school year, and we're selling Meadow View t-shirts. It's a Trojan thing.
Awesome. Let's see all of the t-shirts. I like that.
I'm Beth, and I work with Healthy Kids Clinic. We are like a doctor's office in the school. So if the child is sick, and they need to be seen, then they'll call the parents. Ask the parents if they want to be seen by the nurse practitioner, and the nurse practitioner actually comes right to the school to see the child. They don't have to miss school. The parents don't have to miss work. It's very convenient. We also offer flu shot clinics, hepatitis A vaccines. We have dental services and behavioral health services, and everything's billed through your insurance just like you went to the doctor's office, but it's much more convenient since it's right at school.
Hi, my name is Glennis Bond. I'm a representative for the Kentuckiana Girl Scouts, and I am here just to provide information. They have a variety of troops that are available, and they have open enrollment. Someone will be getting back with all the parents that sign up today to place your daughter in a troop. So if you have daughters between the ages of kindergarten on up to high school, please bring them out, join Girl Scouts. Girl Scouts stands for go-getter, innovator, risk-taker, and leader. Go Girl Scouts.
Hi, my name is Holly Sharon. I'm a speech therapist, and I work at EICS, which is Early Intervention and Consultation Services. And we provide occupational therapy and speech therapy as well as ABA therapy to individuals from birth to 18 that are in need of our services. So we're happy to be in Radcliffe in the community and serving the needs that are here.
Hi, my name is Miss Missy, and I work with the after-school program here at Meadow View Elementary. And I'm giving out information to all the parents about our after-school program. We're here from whenever school is in session, from 2:15 until 5:30. We do our homework, we do sciences, arts and crafts, puzzles, mathematics. We get to use the gym, we get to utilize the computer lab, and of course the wonderful playground here.
Alright, we're with Fort Knox CYS with MWR. We have multiple activities from infant to 12th grade. All of our centers are healthy and safe, and they keep all of the children active. We have multiple weekend activities that the children can be dropped off at with our employees. And we have part-time daycare for preschoolers.
My name is Addison, and I'm doing baseball.
Good evening, my name is Vince Blackman. I'm a member of Kappa Alpha Psi Fraternity Incorporated. We've partnered here with Meadow View Elementary School. I'm an ambassador for the night, and I'm passing out these little books, Parenting Secrets for Helping Kids Be Better at Education.
I'm James Hurt. How are you? I'm the Meadow View Elementary basketball coach, and I'm signing up 4th and 5th graders for this year's league. Well, we play the first Saturday of, we play every Saturday in November and December, and we're going to have tryouts come September. So 4th and 5th graders are welcome to come out. We look forward to a new year of fun and hard work.
Hi, I'm Savannah Ramey, and I am in Mod Squad. And Mod Squad is a teen outreach, and we provide free mentoring and tutoring for kids all around the area and all ages. It's teen run and teen led, and we are located in Vine Grove, Main Street. And it's important to join to come out and have fun with us, learn, and also help do better for the community.
We have a lot of volunteers out tonight helping kick off the school year at Meadow View. This lovely lady is getting free haircuts to youngsters at Meadow View.
Hi, I'm Jackie Gibbons. I am the behavior health teacher. I am partnered with Communicare and we run a program to work with our children collaboratively to ensure that they find success in school.
I'm Bobby Smith. We're doing All-Pro Dads. We meet on the first Wednesday of each month, unless it's a holiday. Then we meet on the second Wednesday from 7:30 to about 8:15. Come have breakfast with us and introduce your child. Get a great door prize. Love to have you.
Hi, I'm Coach Charles. We're signing up for Radcliffe Youth Soccer here at Meadow View. Our last day of registration is August the 23rd. We have youth groups, youth 4, youth 6, youth 8, youth 10, youth 12. We even have a select league. If you're interested, come on out.
Hi, my name is Katina Cook-Smith, and I'm the president of the Fort Knox Alumni Chapter of Delta Sigma Theta Sorority Incorporated. We are here telling students about our Delta Academy program, which is a mentorship program for girls ages 11 to 14. Throughout the program, we teach girls about self-esteem, positive self-images. We do highlights on businesses, like last year we went to see Ruffle Girls Business. Also, we do community service projects, whether it's at the New Hope Food Kitchen or at the Veterans Cemetery. We're just excited about the opportunity to be here at Meadow View again and to service girls ages 11 to 14.
Hi, my name's Kim and I'm here with Generations Family Dentistry, and we're doing dental screenings at the elementary school today. It's very important to keep your teeth clean, so if you need any help, give us a call. Generations Family Dentistry, 270-351-5858.
Andre Tunsil, North Hardin Lions Club. We're here doing vision screenings for open house in Meadow View Elementary. We're in the schools throughout the year, and this kicks off our new school year.
Thank you for joining us for our open house. We're excited about the 2018-19 school year. We'll see you soon. Anyway.